Okay, so first off, I want to apologise for my voice. I've got a really bad cold, so I'm going to be nasally and horrible and might sneeze a couple of times. But today I have got the BTS World limited edition packaging album thingamajiggy. I've waited for this. I pre-ordered it so long ago and it's finally turned up. I did have to pay, I think, £24 customs. So this thing has cost me, I don't even know how much, like a really ridiculous amount. I really hate the UK customs thing, it's really annoying. But yes, so I'm gonna open this now and I could not be more excited. Oh my god. Like, I'm so glad this came today because I keep seeing people put up their unboxings and I just wanted mine. This is not packaged great, by the way. Like, this is the most rough packaging I've had from Big Hit. It fully looks like they were just in a rush to get everyone's boxes out, and I feel like it's maybe bulging out the side a bit. Anyway, I'm gonna get into opening it. I'm no doubt gonna hit the camera, because, you know, I will probably put this up. I've unboxed like a ton of different things recently. Oh my god, this sticky bit won't get off my hand. Yeah, I've unboxed a ton of things recently, but I just haven't edited them. And as this one is the most recent release, I will probably upload this before all the others. So if you want to watch unboxings of some older BTS stuff, then I will probably put those up soon. Oh my god, please open, thank you. Oh my god, okay. Whew, I'm so excited. Oh wait, I can't see it if I do it like that, fuck's sake. Oh my god. Oh yes, I forgot the poster. Oh my god, it's massive. Dude, like, let me try and, like, look at this. Wow, okay. This is really awkward for me to try and film this and get this out, but okay, the lid's popped off. I already have this poster stuck up on my wall, if it's the same one as the other one, which I think it is by the looks of it. They're really irritating to get back in here, so I probably won't open it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same as the poster that came with the first album. Okay, let me try and get into this mammoth thing. Goodbye, box. Oh my fuck. Okay. That was less than delightful. It's fucking huge. Excuse my language, but it's fucking huge. Like, oh my god. Sweet Jesus. Why am I doing that when I can literally just slip it out? Sorry, I've literally only just had my first cup of coffee today, and yeah. Okay, let's get into this. This is massive, like, okay, I have big hands, so this doesn't, like, tell you much. Ew, why are they so veiny? Jesus. Okay, my gross yowie hands aside, it is massive. Like, it's huge. Oh, right, let's get into it. Let me open this little pin thing and try and get into it neatly. Oh, ooh, that didn't sound good. Okay, let me just... Actually, you know how some of them are really tightly like vacuum packed in like this? This one's not, so scissors work fine. Okay, let's get this out. Oh my god, look at the way that shines. Wow, it's so nice. Ah, let's have a look. Okay, so oh, you didn't see anything. Okay, so I'm like messing stuff about. I think it's like all come loose in there. I've not really watched any unboxings for it, so I'm not sure what's really visually in it. Obviously I know from when I ordered it, but anyway, stop babbling. Okay, sorry. It is the morning, so, well, it's not the morning, I don't know what I'm saying. It's the afternoon, but I've only had one cup of coffee, so I'm mildly buzzed. Right, let me open it. Okay, are we ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! Right, let me just... Ah! Okay, where do I start? Like, first of all, I think this was meant to be in here like this. Oh my god, where do I start? Literally, I think all of this was probably like meant to be neatly put in, but it all kind of came out. Let's see. Let's take these out first, because let me have a look at this. What's this? Is that all I get? Have they given us wings? I was really hoping we'd get another, I think it's just a wings thing again. Yeah, I think they've just given us some 30 wings, you see it there. So here we have the cards. Ooh. I'm really not sure what to expect, because I've not watched anyone's unboxing yet, so, and we only get like a little preview, but there's so many. Well, I say that there's probably only 7, or maybe 8 if this is like a plain one. Let me zoom you out a tiny bit, hold on. Okay, so let's go through them. Fuck that card. Oh my god, my king. That is so cute. Oh my god, right, chill out. These are thick. Like, these are some chunky cards. They are really like... I will have to, oh, that will never focus, will it? Oh, I tell a lie. It's almost focusing. Okay, that's good enough. Right. Okay, so first we have a king, our president, Detective Namjoon. Ah. Okay, so we have the president. Oh, Jin! Wait, let me see the back. Okay, let me do the back as well. Sometimes these cards are like plain on the back, but this one isn't. Again, I will have to try and figure out what this says later. Okay, here we have Jin. Oh, cutie patooties. Oh. Okay. And we have Yoongi. Bruh, how have you even got nice hands? Like, what? Can't relate. A sweet, sweet boy. Okay, so next we have Hobie. Aww. These are such nice cards. Bless them. And I love that it's an all member set, so you don't have to try and find everyone else's on eBay and stuff. Little Jimin. We have Tay. Farmer. Okay, I'm speeding through because I'm already taking so long. Sorry, Tay. Oh, how dare I do that? And then we have Mr. JK. Taekwondo athlete. Okay, cute. Okay, so next you get this like manager, I don't know, purse thing, but you also get a card inside of it. And again, this one's really thick. What are they printing these on? Thicker paper maybe, Gem. Cardboard, you know. So you get this cute, I don't know what to call it, manager case, I don't know. But it has a little charm on there. Sweet. And then we have the BTS World Manager card as well. Okay. Let me pop that back in there. Oh god, this is going to take me like 50 years. And it also comes with a little chain thing to hook onto it up there, so very nice, cute. Will I ever use that? Probably not, but you know, I think that's how it was meant to be. I think it was meant to be in there like this, but I don't know. And next we have this. Zoom out. I think these are magnets, right? They're really heavy, so let me open these up. Easier said than done, apparently. Wow, come on. Oh, yeah, they're magnets. Okay. I like that it's got a magnetic board, so I don't have to resort to putting these on the fridge or something. They're so cute. Oh, at least you can display them like this. I really like that they included the magnetic board, so you can just display them as they are. You don't have to take them off of this board. Shall I try? I'm going to zoom you in so you get a better picture of all of the members. Okay, so I'm just going to go through and show you them all individually so you get a better look. These are adorable. Okay, back in we go. Lovely. Okay, and lastly, wow, this has gone like mad. And lastly, we have the album, of course, which I really do love this album. And this is now my second version of it because what's money, hey? Who cares about money? Sorry, normally I can do like a nice glide effect, but she ain't happening today. Okay, let's unbox this. I really don't want to lean on this. I'm going to put this away a second. I really love the box. I think that's, I know that's like the least like interesting part probably, but I think the box of that is so, so cool. What a big hit with the packaging. And they've also released the preview for the army kit this year. It'll be my first time getting it, and it looks so cool. Like, it's all film. Oh my god, this is impossible. Should we just, let's just rip that. Yeah, and it looks so cool. Anyway, back to this. Okay, so we have the BTS World album that obviously comes with the limited edition packaging. And let's see who we pulled. I almost forgot that it comes with an album. I know that sounds ridiculous. Okay, so we have the... why have they... I hate when they don't take, like, care in doing these. Like, why is this so off-centre? Like, do you see that? Ugh, that's really annoying. Why would they do that? Do you know what? Quality control is not always on these people's minds, because what the hell? Why is there a huge gap here and no gap here? This is so off-centre. That's so irritating. That's so funny. Like, do you see that? Who put that on? Okay, regardless. Good job I already... it's a good job I already have a, another one. Oh, my brain is fried, sorry. Okay. And everything's probably going to fall out, so... Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm not going to go through the book because it's going to be the exact same as the others, so if you haven't seen it yet, I don't know. Don't know what to tell you. But let's see who I pulled. I already have Taeyoung's card and Namjoon's game coupon. You know the drill, it comes with the lenticular card, and it also comes with your QR code as well. Okay, let's see. Oh, I got June again. Oh, June. Okay, I don't mind that because he is my bias, so I'm cool with that. But I might look into maybe trading. I don't know. Because he's my bias, I kind of want to keep like doubles of him. But I will see. but I love this photo card of him. Even if it's a game coupon, I don't care. It's just delightful. Okay. Oh, I got Jungkook! Ah! Bless him. Oh my god, my voice is breaking. Help me. Okay, so I have Tae and I have Jungkook. Bless his heart. Oh, I really like this card. Oh, I thought it might be Mr. JK. How can I complain about getting my bias and my bias wrecker all in one package? I can't complain. So we have both of the September birthday boys, which is adorable. This was so cool. Let me get everything back and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so here we have everything laid out. It cost me an arm and a leg. Like, it cost triple what it's worth, I'm sure, by the time it got here. And I paid like £30 in packaging and £20 in customs fees and 40 quid or whatever it was for the actual thing itself. It probably cost me like 3 times what it was worth, but has it brought me joy? Yes, yes it has. And this is no longer available, so as I love the BTS World game so much, I thought, you know what, I'll only regret it if I don't get it, so I bought it. I've got another unboxing after this where I maybe bought something from the Wings era, potentially like sold an actual kidney to get it, so I will be posting that at some point after this video's gone up. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you in another unboxing video, if I've sold off more of my organs to pay for it, of course. I've filmed quite a few unboxing videos, so hopefully I will have those up soon. This will probably go up before all of them, as it's the most recent thing I've bought. Hopefully I will see you again in my next video.